There should be an angle, a good angle right here. Should be coming any second.
Yeah, I saw the lights.
That was unexpected.
Yeah, good thing I had this on because I heard him on there.
Isn't it kind of weird for that train to come this way after another one heads that way? I find it kind of weird a little. Yeah, I can hear them.
This one's gonna be loud.
Yeah, probably.
Why aren't the things going down?
What, the phones? Are they headed down?
Oh, this might not even be a train.
What do you think?
No, this isn't a train.
Oh, it isn't?
No, because the signals aren't going down.
Well, that's weird. What do you think it is?
A truck? Unless they go down like that. Yep, it's a train.
Ow, I'm getting bit alive. Doesn't that sound like an engine train or something?
I think this is gonna be loud.
Yeah. By the sound of it, it's going to be louder and everything. There we go. Roar, pretty engine, roar.